Children, it is activity page 30 for day 29. It is a activity about expanding the exponents and finding values. Example is given 9 cube. 9 cube equals 9 into 9 into 9. You know that 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. 81 into 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72. 7, 8, 9. 729. 729 is the expansion of 9 power 3. Expansion of 9 power 3. Here there is a table for you. First column is for exponent. Second column is for its expansion. Third column is for its value. The first one, 10 square. 10 square means 2 times 10, that is 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is 100. Then 12 square. 12 square is 2 times 12, that is 12 into 12, 144. Then 6 cube. 6 cube, 3 times 6. 6 into 6 into 6. 6 into 6 is 36. 36 into 6. 6 6 is 36. 6 3 is 18 plus 3, 21. Then it is 216. Then 7 cube. 7 cube is 7 into 7 into 7. Write the product. 8 cube. 8 cube is 8 into 8 into 8. 9 cube. 9 into 9 into 9. 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. Here you complete the table. Again there is one more table for you. The first column is expansion. Second column is exponents. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2's are there. So it is 2 power 4. 2 raised to the power 4. 13 into 13 into 13. You write 13 power what? M into M into M into M into M. It is M power 5. AB into AB into AB. So you write AB whole power what? 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 6 power what? Minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. It is minus 10 power 4. Then Q into Q into Q into Q. Q into Q power what? So here this is minus 10 whole power 4. Minus 10 whole power 4. Next, you take the negative exponent. 3 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3. 4 power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 4 power 2. 5 power minus 3 can be written as 1 by 5 power 3. Similarly, you write fourth one, 10 power minus 8 equals, and a power minus m equals, then 2 power minus 2 equals. You write the values. Now about the laws of exponents. The first law of exponent is already learnt. A power m into a power n equals a power m plus n. Here you observe the bases are same. A. If the bases are there, if the bases are same, the power must be added while taking their product with the powers. Then a power m whole power n becomes a power m into n. A power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n. A power m into b power m. Here you observe the powers are same and bases are different. So it becomes ab whole power m. Ab whole power m. A power m by b power m equals a by b whole power m. Then a power m, a power n equals a power m minus n. By using these laws of exponent, complete the table. First one, the question here. Second one is which law is to be used. That you have to mention like this way. And next, according to law, how the question can be converted. And next, the simplification according to the law. Then in the last column, write the values. So first example is there. 5 power 2 into 5 power 3. Here the bases are same, 5, 5 and powers are 2 and 3. So you must use the law a power m into a power n. This is in the form of a power m into a power n, and in this case a power m plus n, a power m plus n. So here you can write that becomes 5 power 2 plus 3. 5 power 2 plus 3. In the place of a, 5 is there, and m plus n is 2 plus 3. Then 5 power 2 plus 3 becomes 5 power 5. You write 5 times. So 5 power 5 is equals to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 5 times. That becomes 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, 125 5 is 625, 625 5 is 625 5 is you will get 25 5 is 125, 6 5 is 30, 3125. Find the product of 625 and 5, you will get 3125. Next, here 3 power 2 into 3 power 3. Here the bases are same. So find the law which can be used, and according to that law what you have to write, complete this table. Here also you write, here also you write. Next, 3 power 3 in by 3 power 2. Here which law is to be used? You have to use a power m by a power n equals a power m minus n. Then you will get here 3 power 3 minus 2. 3 power 3 power minus 2 is 3 power 1. 3 power 1 is equals to 3. Similarly, use the same law here, same law here. Here also use the first law. Next, 2 power minus 2 into 5 power minus 2. Here the bases are different, 2 and 5, but the powers are same. So in that case you can use the law a power m into b power m, which is equals to ab whole power m, ab whole power m. So that becomes 2 into 5 whole power minus 3. 2 into 5 is 10, 10 power minus 3, which is equals to, you can write here 1 by 10 power 3, which is equals to 1 by 10 into 10 into 10, that is equals to 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 10 is 1000. Similarly, apply the same law. Then 16 power 2 into 6 power 2. This is also apply the same law. Then same law you have to apply. Then here use this law, a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn, that is 4 power 2 into 3, 4 power 6 is equals to 4 power 6. So you write 4 6 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then find the product here. 4 4 is 16, 16, this is 16, this is 16, and 16 into 16 is 256 into 16, 16 6 is 96, 16 5 is 80, 89, 16 2 is 32 plus 8, 4. So you will get 4096. So you got the product, the value you got 4096. Similarly, use the same law for this two also. 4 power 2 into 3, 3 power 2 into 3, 4 power 6. This is also 3 power 6. In this way, find the values.